with Blackisha that call me and tell me because the morning when the pink call summer come out, is Blackisha send me 6 o'clock in the morning and I see it. I'm just wait till 11:30 of the day for go live. Cause I believe, cause I say I'm a friend and I'm a take care from a friend, so anything my friend tell me I have to believe, don't it? But two the blood clot coming from the shop, I realize I share the blood clot mischief maker.
But what I know, the youth that tell me last night, say you put him up on something with the youth.
Yeah.
You know, that's it. That's again.
You know, so my head hard to work, so I wake up in the morning and my head get a water. When I go over there and address them, I just go up on the corner where the boy are. But
you don't put up something already.
No, I don't put up nothing with the boy in picture. I don't put up the boy picture. Blackisha, them put up my picture from Pink Wall. I just go live on a class because Blackisha tell me, so the boy and them baby mother and them sister diss me. So you know, anybody that diss my name, I have to address them. So I just go address them. I don't put up nothing about the boy. Me and the boy never in a nothing yet. The boy now box gun. If the boy did a fire gun, then did a think twice and try to get to me. The boy a footballer can't carry me. When a boy this man, I'm going to keep the ball through them net. So when I go over there, address them, and when you're on your way over there, call me because I'm going to pick you up today. I have something for you. Because it's when you come right here, sir, everything will stay here, sir.